Yeah, I think the hypocrisy is pretty strong with these other brands that are trying to sell us Americana and sell us this American dream, but they're making everything overseas. And right here at our fingertips at home are all these wonderful people that own factories, zipper manufacturers, button manufacturers, label manufacturers, and they're real people that have amazing businesses that they've maybe been passed down or they want to pass down to their sons and daughters. And I think for us, it's super important that if we're gonna sell this American dream, that we support somebody else's American dream right down the street. And I think that's what gives us this unique opportunity to offer what we call our Devium Lifelong Guarantee, where you can take a damaged item, give it back to us. We'll either replace it if we can't fix it, or we'll have one of our friends down the street fix it, further supporting their business and bringing that legacy forward of American manufacturing, selling high quality stuff to Americans and people all over the world.